Hello everyone. So today we'll be dealing with the blood relation topic. Okay. So many of you might have already solved this while preparing for some other competitive exams, and if you're doing it for the solving this topic, studying this topic for the first time, I'll first of all tell you some basic approach, basic what to say, methods or some scales or whatever you say, that how should you approach such topics in it. Okay. So two things to remember. First is hierarchical tree. Okay. Hierarchical tree. So what does this mean? Suppose that there are three people, okay, grandfather, father, and you and your brother. Say you are Y and your brother is X. Okay. Suppose that you both are twins. Okay. Suppose, or not twin, then also suppose that he's your brother. Okay. So grandfather, if I draw a tree, who will be on the topmost? Okay. So in this case, the eldest person will be on the topmost tree. Eldest, by eldest, I does not mean by age. Okay. It is like generation. Oh yes, best word instead of hierarchy, it will be generation tree. Okay. Both you can use. Okay. Generation or hierarchy tree. Okay. So grandfather will be the topmost of the tree. Then your father. Then you will come. And along with your side, brother will also come. Because you both are in the same generation. Huh? Remember this thing. Okay. Not by age, it's by generation. Okay. You and your brother are of same generation. Okay. So he will denote them like this. Okay. In a hierarchical tree. Okay. Second thing to remember in this is gene. Okay. So suppose that gene and not same gene. Okay. Suppose that there are three people. Okay. Y, X and K. Okay. Y and X are brothers and X and Y are husband wife. Okay. So Y and X are brother means they are of same gene. Okay. So when you are of same gene, I will denote you with single line. Okay. Okay. Same gene, gene you will consider it your father. Same gene, like I mean, like if you're a brother, your sister, your uncle will go on the above tree, that's no doubt. Okay. Your cousin. Okay. Then I will denote it by single line. Okay. Whereas K is suppose the wife of X. Okay. So she is not of same gene. Okay. So X and K I'll denote with double line. Okay. So you should also denote this with double line. Okay. Third thing, female and male symbol. Okay. It's upon you. Okay. Whatever you want you can take. Okay. But for your ease you can take anything, like you can take star for it, asterisk for it. But only thing is that you should remember what you're taking. Okay. So for that reason I take male as triangle, female as circle. Okay. Some basic geometrical figures, it's upon you. Okay. But the thing is that you should take it by some symbol. Okay. So these are some of the things which you should remember. Okay. So quick basic, like if I see, okay, suppose that grandfather, let us see that I'll give you a task to do. Okay. Grandfather, father. Okay. Grandfather, father, uncle, you. Okay. And you sorry, Y means you, and your spouse, your wife, suppose M. Okay. So draw a family tree for this. Okay. Stop the video and draw. Okay. So hope you're done. So for this, the family tree will be grandfather the topmost. You can see that grandfather is the topmost. Then comes your father and your uncle. So father and uncle are of same gene, so they will be in the same tree. Okay. F. And grandfather I told, so this will be a triangle over here. Father I told, triangle over here. Uncle I told, triangle over here. Okay. Now you will be in the next generation. Okay. Y, and you are a male. Okay. That's why I told M as wife. Okay. You can do anything. Okay. M means your spouse. Sure, we'll have to show this by double line, and this is circle. Okay. So this is how a family tree is drawn. Okay. Now let us try some questions. Okay. So that the things become clear. Okay. Let us start. Just a second. Split. Okay. So the question number one is, P is Q's brother. Okay. So P is the brother of Q. Wait. P is the brother of Q. So P is the brother of Q. So P is brother. P is Q's brother. So P is brother of Q. That is exact same thing. So which means that P is male. Gender of male. Gender of P is male. Okay. R is Q's mother. So R is mother of Q. So R is a female, right? So a circle over here. And R is one generation above Q. You are a mother. I mean, if she's a mother, so she will be one generation above. Now, so we have drawn R above Q. Okay. Now R is Q's mother. Okay. S is R's father. S is the father of R. So one generation above R, S is the father. Father means father's Gender we know so it will be male, so that's why we have drawn a triangle. Okay, S is R father. T is S's mother, so T is also one generation above, and T is a circle because she is mother. What is the relation of P with T? P with T. Can we determine this? Yes, we know that one generation below, son, daughter, son or daughter, one generation below, right? Okay, one more generation if we go, so if we consider it with respect to T, then it will be granddaughter, grandson. Okay, here we have a circle, so granddaughter. Okay, one more generation if we go, it will be great grand, great grand. Okay, and son and daughter will determine. So here it is a triangle, so it will be son. So relation of P with T. So yes, this thing also appears confusing. Okay, P and T. The question is, what is the relation of P with T? Okay, now you are confused that what should we answer. We can also write that T is the is the grandfather, but that answer thing you have to you have to use that. Okay, that answer which you have to answer, you have to place it in between. So P with T. So P is two options. Like you might be getting confused that the answer will be great grandson or answer will be great grandfather. Okay, so put both these things here. P is great grandfather of T. Is it correct? P is great grandfather? No, wrong. So P is great grandson of T. Is it correct now? Absolutely correct. So answer. So answer is great grandson. Hope this is clear now. Two things which are very confusing. While I was preparing, I also used to get confused. So these are some of the tricks which I followed and did. Okay. Another question. These are some what to say, good questions which are asked. Okay. Pointing out to a lady, a girl said, okay, she is daughter-in-law of my father's only son. Very confusing statement. Okay. But let's see how to do this. Okay. Pointing to a lady. So lady. So let us write lady. Where is pointing out to a lady, a girl said. She is the daughter, so lady will write over here, okay? Because we are talking in terms of lady. That lady we are referring to. Okay, she is the daughter-in-law. Okay, daughter-in-law. So daughter means she will be one generation lower. Daughter-in-law of grandmother of my father's only son. Okay, another approach in this which you should follow is, okay, so daughter-in-law means what? First of all, let me erase this. So here's the lady. Okay, lady. Okay, female. She is the daughter-in-law of the grandmother. Daughter-in-law of the grandmother. Grandmother of my father's only son. Okay, so grandmother means lady is married to someone and there is someone above her. Okay, grandmother. Grandmother. So see, if she is my grandmother, I'll be like I'm referring myself as a girl. That girl asking the question. So I'll be one generation more lower to that lady. Okay, so girl over here. Okay, she is the daughter-in-law of my father's only son. Okay, so father's only son means like there's a son, and here will be my father. Okay, so how is the girl related to the lady? I am the girl and here's the lady. Okay, so this lady can be my mother, is a possibility. Another case, like if my father has his brother and she is her wife, then also in that case also she is the what she is the daughter-in-law of the grandmother. Okay, so this case is also possible. So answer to this question is cannot be determined. Okay, a very confusing sort of question. Next one, Raj is brother of Ajay. Raj is brother of Ajay. Okay, so as told, same generation, so in the same line and same gene, so single line. Okay, and Raj is brother, so Raj is a male. Raj is the brother of Ajay. Sunita is the sister of Sunil. Ajay is the son of Sunita. Okay, so Sunita is the sister of Sunil. Sister of Sunita is sister. Okay, one more thing I forgot to tell you, that don't consider generation by name as a male or female. Like if Ajay is given over here, don't consider that Ajay is male. Okay, Ajay can be female as well. Okay, now Sunita is sister of Sunil. Okay, Ajay is son of Sunita. Okay, Ajay is son, so Sunita will be one generation above. So let us place Sunita one generation above Ajay. So Sunita is one generation above. Okay, what is the given? Ajay is son. Ajay is son. Okay, so Ajay is also male. How is Raj related to Sunita? So Raj to Sunita. Raj. Okay, again, as I told, Raj related to Sunita. Okay, now We know that answer can be mother, because Sunita is mother of Raj and Raj is son of Sunita. Okay, so what to place over here becomes a very confusing part. So place it Raj and then Sunita. Okay, place mother over here. Okay, so which means that Raj is mother of Sunita. Is it correct? Absolutely wrong. So answer to this question is Raj is son of Sunita. These are some of the confusing. Okay, later more questions you can try. Okay, and do post that if you have a doubt. Okay, so thank you so much.